Alright, you guys, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, I have a packaging order video. So I'm just gonna get started. So just a reminder, you guys, I do have a coupon code for my website right now for December, and I do have a little free gift which I'll show you guys while I'm packaging this. But let me just get started before it takes too long. So let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shipping. Let's do the first one. The first one's very simple. This person ordered the 25-piece acrylic set. So I'm not going to show you the information on the front, but I will say it's for somebody named Princess Miguel. So thank you, Princess, for ordering. So I'm going to go ahead and pack her order. So it's the 25-piece set. So first of all, I need to get some of this little bubble wrap so that there is some cushion in there. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead. Got a lot of stuff on this table. I'm gonna get some wrapping paper really quick. Make it look cute and everything, you know. And then I'll get some wrapping, some bubble paper, just to cushion the bottom a little bit. And I'm gonna cut it. Over here trying to cut this thing. But yeah, you guys, these acrylics are a big hit. I always get good feedback, and there's a lot. So if you're trying to build your collection, I suggest you get this set. And we do have shop pay, you guys. Take advantage of that. You get like 4 payments of, I believe, $38 if you order the set. Okay. Alright, so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and add, let's see, a little bit of this sprinkle paper to make it look pretty and for some extra cushion. Alright. And they are all sealed, you guys. So this is number 15 and number, oh, sorry, not this. Number 15 and number 29. So I got 2. This is what the acrylics look like, you guys. So I'm going to try to put them in as best as I can. Let's see. This one, I don't want to mix this up because I do have, okay. I have the same, somebody else ordered the same thing. Okay, then we have Seal Your Heart. I love this. This is just like a perfect silver. And then Buried Treasure. Blue Moon. So in case the person wants to see what they're getting, you're going to see before you get it in the mail. Supernova Girl, Glow in the Dark. Pumpkin Pie. Girly Girl. Couture Things. I'll go a little faster with the second person because it's the same colors that I picked. What was that? This is another neon. Neon Lights Glow, Glow in the Dark. Limon. It's like a highlighterish green. Classic, so it's just classic black. Cloud 9, just the white. Dusty Rose, beautiful mauve nude. We got 403 for autumn. Verde, bright green. Rose. 331. I love this baby blue. Coffee Date. C048. I love this color, Nature. X's and O's. I always think of that song, X's and O's, royalty. Oh my gosh, how are we gonna fit all this? This is the last one. I gotta make sure I count them before I close this thing. 310. Well, this, let's see, does that fit? Yes, no, maybe so. Oh wait, there's one missing here. Let's see. So it's 268. So that goes in this little corner. All right. Make sure they're in there. What else? Okay, so this person is basically the 25-piece set. That's pretty much it, but we got to add some more wrapping so that it's good to go and safe. Take advantage of this, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on top right there. And I do have a little gift for this person. So I'm going to be giving them this lip gloss. I hand make these, guys. I add this. I'm gonna add these to the website soon because I haven't. But these are very nice, look. So she's gonna be getting Sweet Treats. And they smell so good, you guys. Okay, let's just put that somewhere. Okay. And then I'm gonna add just another 2 sheets of the white tissue paper. Maybe 3 because I can't take it off. All right. Let's see. Extra protection. Put some there. I'm gonna go ahead and add their other stuff, like their order slip here. And I'm gonna add a little gift card thingy. Not gift card, sorry, a little business card. And let me see. I think that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and close this up. All I gotta do now, you guys, is add some tape to secure it. Let's see, I gotta find the opening to this tape. Let's see. Make sure it's closed. Okay, so we got one order. Yay! Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain today. No wonder it's dark in here. Okay, so second order is, let's see. Okay, this person ordered the 5-piece set and coffin tips and cucumber melon cuticle oil. That is almost sold out. I think I only have 1 or 2 of those left. Okay, I'm gonna have to remake some more. All right, so grab some white paper, some white tissue paper for the bottom. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Okay, this way. Yeah, that way's better. Like the other one. I'm going to add some bubble wrap. After this, you guys, I gotta pick up my son from school. And then I gotta come back, clean the house. It's been a long, long day. And I can't believe it's gonna rain. Oh my gosh. Only in Florida, I swear. Okay, I'm going to be putting these a little bit quicker. You guys saw the colors already. Making sure They're all gonna fit in there. I love this color. Girly Girl is one of my favorites. I love all the glows as well. Okay, just a couple more. So shiny. Okay. All right, they also ordered the coffin tips, you guys. And I'm gonna stick those right in there as well. And another freebie for purchasing this order. This person's getting the color Lush. And I'm gonna show you guys what Lush looks like. And they said these things smell so good. Lush looks like these. Okay. Get some more bubble wrap. For more protection. Some more tissue paper. It's covered. I think I should have added this first, but oh, sorry you guys, I almost forgot. I would have had to like make sure to go back and send this because that would have been horrible, but they're cuticle oil. It's right there. Thank God I don't have that much stuff over here. So let's protect it. Like I said, it's the cucumber and melon one. You know what? I'm gonna add some tape. Right there, just because. Okay, make sure there's, even though these are very tightly sealed, but just in case. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up. Rolling, 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 rolling. I want it very protected so we have no issues here. Yeah, you guys, it's dark outside. It's making my video look a little bit dark, but we're okay. I have the window open, thinking I'm gonna get sunlight or something. I should have just used my ring light. Come on, tape. This is why I should get the shipping tape. Because dealing with this sucks. Oh my gosh, that song's stuck in my head. My daughter's favorite song, Watermelon Sugar. Okay. Come on, tape. You got this. Cut that excess off today. Oogly. Okay. Okay, we are going to really tape this up. There. Okay. We're gonna stick this under like that. And we're gonna add a card again. A business card. Okay. We're gonna add this. Oh, I didn't tell who you guys this was for. Daniela Mancera, thank you for your order. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, so we're gonna add, you know what I think I forgot to add, you guys? I think it'll be fine though. I didn't add some of the crinkle paper, but we're gonna add it right here. Make it look cute. Okay. Now we're gonna close this up. And we're gonna tape it up. And like I said, all I gotta do is add the shipping label, and that's it. Alright, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, the discount code is DEC20 for 20% off your entire purchase. These two people that ordered, they did get 20% off, and the one that only ordered, let me see. No, they both got 20% off, but what I was trying to say is, them using the 20% off, they, instead of $155 for the whole set, it was already on sale, and they got the sale price with the discount code. But yeah, you guys, oh my gosh, my shirt is like rising up on me. All right, you guys, I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.